The role of the Sentry is an airborne early warning platform. It looks for adversary aircraft, it then detects them, reports them, uses data links, communications to pass that information out to other parties that might be interested or need situational awareness. The Sentry's contributed to a huge amount of operations over the last 30 years. Even since its introduction in 1991, literally less than 10 months later it was deployed on operations. And we've done operations in Kosovo, the Balkans, Iraq, Afghanistan, LME. We have done of a huge variety continuously for the last 30 years, so it really has had an impact to UK defence and our output. It's been important for the Sentry to support Op Shader because it provides resilience to the ground-based radar platforms. It assures the product that we're pushing out there, and it's also really important for my guys on board to continue to take part in these operations because they need to keep their skill sets high, they need to learn how to integrate with other people, and we need to learn how to get our product out there and make sure that that experience isn't forgotten. So it's always important to come back, recontribute to ops such as Shader. I love flying in the E-3D. The great thing about the aircraft, it's obviously a large aircraft being a Boeing 707. So we've got a large crew, normally 18 people, with a variety of trades, and we can do so many different roles that you never really know what you're going to be doing. So you may get airborne looking for long-range airborne early warning, and then you get retasked to help with a search and rescue, or you may be doing close tactical control of combat air. We can be up there for a long period of time because we can air-to-air refuel as well. So you really feel like you've got persistence, that you can add value, and you're a force multiplier. We as a force have a very unique contribution into NATO, and I think it just highlights the commitment from the UK government into that organisation, and that will continue on into the future with E-7. We're retiring an aircraft which has done 30 years of fantastic service, but we've just bought a product which is a step change in capability. The ability of that radar, the crews on board, the actual avionics of the systems is a marked change and a step up to what the E-3D can provide.